Hey friend, Levi here. I wanted to create an update video for the channel that I'll be deleting within 24 hours probably. And that is, I wanted to just let you know that I don't feel great that I haven't had tons of videos coming out or many videos at all. I don't think I've posted in many weeks. And that's not for a lack of having stuff that I could edit, but it's just a weird time right now for me to be focusing, and it's tough to edit stuff from the past. It just feels kind of weird. And I don't know how you found my channel. A lot of people have found it lately from the van life stuff. And so usually what I do when I'm stuck inside is I gear towards doing education stuff, and I kind of ebb and flow between those two, teaching some filmmaking and then going out and doing the adventures and then making my own short documentaries. And right now it just feels like a weird time for all of those things. And I'm aware that a lot of people have been finding my stuff through like van adventures and actually going out and doing things. And so it's this weird space of, I want my videos to have adventure flair to it, and filming just another video sitting in the van teaching something, it feels tough for me right now. So I want to ask you, what kind of things do you want to learn? Is there things that I can teach you? I've got a music tutorial that I've been working on. I've got a how to edit 360 video tutorial that I've been working on, but I highly value your input and what kind of things that you want to see from me. And then I just got to confess, it's been tough to focus. I feel like I've been a bit of a slacker, and maybe you feel similar. It almost feels like I should be writing the next novel or something during this quarantine because we've got so much spare time. And I'm just saying that if you haven't been very productive, that's okay, I think. Yeah, I had a hard start to the year, and then I went on my big road trip down to California, and that was like a nice reset for me. And that was right at the start of all this COVID stuff, and it's been ups and downs with hardships and family. So anyhow, if you would like to watch some of my old stuff and you're new to the channel, I've got 3 ideas for you. One, our Road to Alaska travel series. That was a really fun time and very enjoyable to watch. 2, my documentary Untethered. If you haven't seen that yet, it will blow your mind, I think. And then 3, maybe you could watch my recent Levi's Big Solo Road Trip. Was kind of interesting, so I'll throw that out there. But yeah, I've got tons of tutorials on the channel if you're looking for some ideas or things to spark your interest. Anyhow, this is just my quick update. I do have more videos coming by the end of this month. I do 2 sponsored Squarespace videos in a month, which is usually why towards the end of the month is when I squeeze those integrations in. They don't have to be in any kind of specific video, so that's usually why towards the end of the month I end up getting 2 videos out in quick succession. So your support on those videos is appreciated. But some of them might be a little boring, but more non-boring stuff is coming. Oh, I should tell you what's coming. I went to Thailand in the fall. Some footage from that is coming. I'm editing that right now. I also have some slacklining videos that were lost episodes, basically stuff that I shot years ago that were never edited into finished short films, and I'm going to be re-editing that. So you could actually watch the Slack Life series to kind of get you back in the mood for that. Those are kind of the main things I'm working on right now. And I've got a fun little short film that's kind of personal coming up soon as well. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate you. I know that you guys are very supportive of what I'm doing, and that means a lot. It's cool to have people say it doesn't matter if you post once a month. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We just want to see what you make. And that is really cool. And I appreciate that so much. So most of the block that I face creatively right now, I don't really like calling it a block because I don't think that's accurate, but it's not because I'm worried what you will think at home. It's more my own internal voice wanting things to be better. And that's part of what it means to just live with yourself as a creative who wants to make things that are great. And when they're not great, it's hard. So I challenged myself to just shoot this video in one take and upload it so that way I could say hi to everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Hopefully there's one coming up. If not tomorrow night, the day after. It's about this little camera that I'm shooting this with. Should be pretty cool. Talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, and remember, life's better when you make stuff.